Hi, I am sharing a very memorable photo of myself. This is the time that I did my own makeup for the very first time. It's like a DIY. Did it myself. DIM. Usually I would pay for an HMUA to help me. Being a host, you have to look good, you have to be presentable, not just para makita nila, but for yourself. I can perform well if I know that I look good. There are times that I can compare kung ayaw ko sa itsura ko, parang I move reluctantly, which really affects my performance because I'm someone, showgirl gid ka basta performer ka. When you're in front, people would look at you. You'd see the reaction if nakaganon sila. You know that you're very pleasing to them, pero if they look at you like, o kaya, you know, mura ka ba, siguro ko angay, uy. That's why I really invest on HMUA. Before, I have my own HMUA, pero karon busy na gyud kayo ang atong HMUA. Kung gyud, I don't easily entrust myself to any HMUA na murag wala ko kasuway or wala pa ko ka sinati. I listen to the referrals of people, and I also look at their gawa nila sa kanilang portfolio online, on social media. The TFI asked my client, dun ko ibinabawas yung my HMUA expense. If you notice on my picture, ang buhok ko, I make it look wet by putting on some hair gel. I can't even put hairpin sa sarili ko. Di ko kibaw sa una. Di ko kibaw. For my makeup, you will not believe me if I'm gonna say that the palette, the eyeshadow palette, it's actually of a good brand at binigay yan sa akin ng tatay ko. He gave it to me when I graduated college, pero I still end up not being able to use it. Hanggang ngayon, buhay pa siya or na pa siya. I don't even know if that expires. Pero okay naman so far. Kung ginagamit ko siya, hindi pa naman ako nangangati. Binigay yan sa akin for my graduation kasi nga you have to put on some makeup when you graduate, right? That's a life event. We ended up still hopping onto a salon, Double Salon. Hi, Tito Wen. So last I could still remember she did my makeup. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako natututo. I still depend on someone who could help me until ito na nga. I'm gonna share why this happened. Bakit ako ang nag-makeup sa sarili ko nito. Normally, I would join the team, visit the site para sa planning for the decoration. It's for me to get directions. And I have a separate vlog about the site visit, why we do that, okay? This event na ito nag-makeup ako sa sarili ko ay napakalayo ng reception area. I have the address but I've never been there. Di po ko pwede mapakya, okay? Wala, mabilin sa Coin Town. Alkansin ako. I have to think of a smart plan. So, akong gibuhat ato is, gisugat na ko sila sa simbahan kung asa giheld ang ilang wedding ceremony. I don't really get inside the church for the ceremony because my job begins after the ceremony, which is at the reception. Pero I just, gisugat lang ako sila sa location para makadungan ko sa ilang pag-adto sa venue. With that, I have limited time. I cannot anymore contact the HMUA na ako adjong HMUA nga naandan kay nag-makeup man sila dito. Di ba pwede nga patrabelo nimo sila diri para sa imong kagalingan, wala na tay oras gyud. That's the time that I realize, okay, this is it. I'm gonna do it myself. Di man pwede matunga ka nga murag papel nga luspad. So kada pod makabantay po ng client nga, ni ang ako ang MC, bakit ganitong itsura nito, parang hindi man lang naghanda. Ayoko ng ganun din. With the little resources that I have, with the help of YouTube, lisod ba kayo magtanong tutorial no kung ayaw mong tutorial ba, dagan kasi ng product, tapos this is what you have. Pero at least, the basic makeup lang, nakasabay-sabay ko. Thankfully, kasi when we arrived at the reception venue, I was wearing these shades. Yung, that ko nga, ano ba si shades? Kasi, to my defense, baka pagkatawanan ako. I don't really know. pag tanggal ko sa shades ko, my mentor is very proud of me. Wow, you're able to do it yourself. Pero really touch nila. Parang hindi yata ako marunong mag-blend. I don't even understand the art of blending, you know. I will never forget this guy. Nakasave ko og fee for the HMUA, and this is also the time that naka-decide ko to do myself my hair and makeup. And since then I get by, I save, and sometimes bibili ako. Sometimes I also receive items from my teammate HMUA. Gamit nila, binibigyan din nila ako. They're very kind to me. With more experience and practice, you can make it perfect along the way. So, moto siya. The story of this close-up photo of myself.